In the hills of Switzerland, a series of fans attached to metal structures that look like an industrial, oversized Lego project are spinning. Their mission is to help scrub the atmosphere by sucking carbon dioxide out of the air. It's a prototype by ClimateWorks, a small Swiss company that has engineered direct air capture technology. The concept was long considered unrealistic, even though the system sounds simple. CO2 in the air is filtered. Once saturated, the filters are then heated up and the CO2 is collected in a highly concentrated form and stored. The challenge, however, is the cost. Estimates vary, but it currently costs about $500 to $600 per ton to remove carbon dioxide using direct air capture. That's a far cry from the $70 per ton cost of carbon in the European Union emissions trading system, the most developed ETS system in the world.
At COP26, we want to see the regulators to agree on a worldwide price on carbon which is high enough to make technologies like direct air capture commercially viable in the future.
But agreeing on a global market for carbon has been a major hurdle for the world's climate negotiators for years.
If the carbon emission is not more expensive, and the other way around, if the renewable use is not less expensive, you can imagine what is the real difficulty.
Leading scientific agencies, including the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, say that even if we change our behavior so dramatically that we're no longer producing harmful emissions, that still won't be enough to avert a climate catastrophe.
So I think that looking at technical solutions and things like direct air capture and so on is important, and we need to get down the cost curve for that. However, carbon dioxide removal and greenhouse removal is not just about those engineered solutions, and there are opportunities right now to use nature-based solutions in ways that actually create livelihoods and jobs in places that desperately need them, and that could actually make a huge difference in our overall climate trajectory.
Some actors in the climate field say expensive technological innovation, while important, should not distract from the sustainable low-tech solutions already available.